I used to do this at school before acting. People, why am I singing? Serious, Sam, be serious. Alright, serious. Oh, wow. I'm done. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. In today's video, I'm gonna give you guys an update about my hair, my silver hair. It's been 6 months since I decided to embrace my silver hair, and I gotta say that this is an amazing, wonderful feeling. I don't have to think about touching up my hair. I don't have to think about coloring my hair. I just let it flow, let it be, and I love this journey. I love it. As always, these short update videos are just to show you my growth. I'm not gonna go into depth in this video, but I'm gonna do a Q&A video. So if you got questions about my silver hair, just put them in the comment down below and I will answer them in my next Q&A video. So ask away, ask me everything you want to know about my gray hairs and I will answer them in the next video. Since the beginning of this journey, I told you guys that I don't know if I want to do a tapered cut or if I want to go bald. But now that my silver are growing, my complexion and my eyes are popping a little bit more, I don't know if I want to go bald. I'm enjoying this stage, I'm enjoying this grayness, and I don't know. I think, like, let me say 80% of me is going towards the tapered cut and 20% of me is like, you know what, you need to go bald once in your life and you need to cut it all off, and I don't know. I know that in October I'm gonna cut my hair and I'm gonna see then what I'm gonna do. In these 2 months until my Bigchop, I want to focus on my grays. I don't have a Bigchop date in mind. I'm thinking the end of October, maybe the 28th of October on a Sunday, you know. And yeah, I don't want to pressure myself. I don't want to focus too much on the date or focus too much on the Bigchop. I want this journey to be all about growing, all about learning, all about embracing my grays, and we shall see. I feel that if I put too much pressure on myself, I block myself from growing, and this journey is all about growing. I just want to learn more about my gray hair because its gray hairs are definitely different than the color treated hair. So I want to learn more about, you know, the silver hair and the silver. I want to embrace this journey and don't want to pressure myself at all. So this video is about my growth, about my gray hair. So let me show you my growth so far. I've been talking way too much. Let me show you my hair. As I said before, September and October is gonna be all about my gray hair and all about transitioning. I feel that I haven't shown you much of my regimen or routine. First of all, nothing changed about the products I use. I still use the same products, but the amount of products I use on my gray hair is definitely different than the amount of products I use on my color treated hair. So I'm gonna show you a lot of tutorials with this hair. September and October is gonna be dedicated on my silver hair and my journey so far. Leave your questions for the Q&A in the comment down below, and I will discuss that in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this short update. As always, it's always short, but in my next video I promise I will talk a little bit more about my grays, and I will talk a little bit more in depth about my grays. So leave your questions and I will answer them. Until the next time, have a blessed Sunday. Bye. I'm gonna give you guys an update about my grays. Why am I singing? Why? In today's video, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about. I'm not gonna tell you. Oh my gosh, what is this? Update about my gray hair, my silver hair. Was goed, maar kan anders, kan beter. Oké. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my elastiek weghalen. Oké.